Elegant with the classic mirror polish over a stainless steel body. The 360-degree swivel base is connected with a standard power cord for safe usage and convenient storage. This cordless electric kettle can be easily lifted from its swivel base for easy filling at the sink and graceful serving without the hassle of a power cord. It can also be returned to its power source from any direction. Now let's talk about its power. This 1500 watt electric kettle has concealed heating elements that prevent corrosion and can boil up to 1.5 liters.